Update on my automation with the chicken coop. So I've pretty much got it worked out now. I've got my outdoor switches here. This one is my chicken door, and this one is my chicken roof for manual control. And by that, I can open or close my chicken door. Right, press up, polarity reverses, door goes up, all automated based on the time of day with the Wink app. Chicken roof, same deal. All right, same setup except from not tied to the door and just to the roof. I'll reverse that. Again, tie to temperature sensors so that if the chicken coop reaches, in my case, 87, I want the top to pop on its own. And I'll show you here how I'm doing it. All Alexa controlled. I have my actuator here that I used to have tied directly to my door and it would push down, but that didn't work out so well because these are 330-pound actuators, right? And tied straight to the door, it basically turned into a guillotine to the chickens. So not being very smart, they would poke their head out at just the wrong time, and fortunately it never happened. So I moved it to come off the door to where that bolt hole was, and I mounted it down here and put it on a line so it would move freely, and the line would give if a chicken was to put his head under there, it wouldn't be a guillotine. So I did that line, and I did a manual pull line too. So if the door was down, I could manually pull this up from the outside and still open the chicken door if something in here failed. But it's all Alexa controlled and controlled by this smartthings temperature sensor. And based on time of day, the door will open. If the temperature sensor reads above, in my case, 80 degrees, it'll make sure this door opens, and it'll make this actuator turn on for the roof. And of course, it's all voice controlled as well as done by temperature. Alexa, close chicken door.
Okie dokie.
So the chicken door closes. All right, dumb chickens. Actuator goes up. Pulley system. Alexa, open chicken door. Right, so based on time of day, it'll open or close. And the same temperature sensor, if it gets hot, I'll have it pop the top of the chicken roof to act as a vent. And all my relays that are in my other videos and power supply for the relays are in this box here. And I use this sensor, or this control right there, for the light out front based on time, and for my chicken heater in here, so that the water that I have here on the door won't freeze, and eggs, so they won't freeze. Alexa, raise chicken roof.
No problem.
There's a good view of it. So when it gets hot, it'll vent the chicken coop, the roof will open, the door will open, no chance of the chickens overheating and turning into a sweat box, and help keep the coop cool when it needs to. Alexa, lower chicken roof.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Oops, forgot the command. We'll do it manually. There we go. I've made a routine so I could raise chicken roof, and I thought it was lower chicken roof, but I forgot the verbiage. And it's attached. You can see the actuator right there. There you go. Just like that. You can see it seals right back down where it should. I also put a light switch underneath here since I had power here. A switch for a light inside, so at night I can come out and easily check. So just a quick switch on the same box since I had power, and a light in the chicken coop. And when I did the roof, so that the roof wouldn't slide off, I used hinges to attach it to the wall on both sides so that the roof wouldn't slide backwards when it opened. And I'm going to add chain at the top in case it's a windy day. The roof will not lift up and off because it's only held by that. So I'm actually going to hook it with chain at the same distance it'll raise on both sides. And this is my ratio controlled in another video as well. My automatic watering system during the summer. When the water's on, I can tell ratio to water the chickens and automate that to run 5 minutes every day or what have you. And make sure this container, and there's another temperature sensor I have to monitor the temperature of the water. But I can make sure that container and this container I built are always full of water, and I can tell Alexa to tell ratio to water the chickens, and I'll always know these containers are full of water. And there's my chicken light that's tied to the heater, so if I know the heater's on when the light is on. And that's all based off the temperature sensor as well. So there's my automated chicken coop. Kind of proud of it. Works well. All nice and compact. All automated. Any questions, let me know. Thanks.